AI lessons in grade 3. You heard that right. India's schools are about to teach artificial intelligence to 8-year-olds. According to the latest draft by CBSE and NCERT, AI will soon be part of school subjects, starting right from the early years. The goal is simple: help students understand how AI works, not just use it. Building curiosity, logic, and creativity from day one, and India isn't alone. Across the globe, from the US to Japan, schools are testing AI labs and digital learning bots. But critics warn, teaching AI too early could make kids rely on machines instead of thinking for themselves. Educators disagree. They say learning AI early builds control and confidence. It's not replacing thinking, it's reshaping it. Imagine a classroom where every child has an AI tutor that explains lessons, answers questions, and encourages curiosity. Yet teachers also emphasize AI ethics, teaching children how to tell truth from deepfakes and when not to use technology. These AI lessons mix creativity, coding, and problem solving, the ultimate skills for the future. Online reactions. Totally split. Some call it revolutionary, others fear a generation of copy-paste learners. So, here's the question: are we raising smarter creators or just faster imitators?